Hey guys, quick unboxing and review on these reusable silicone fruit and vegetable containers. This comes in a pack of 4 and this one is meant for an avocado, and basically it's just a very eco-friendly way to maintain any kind of fruit or vegetable in this reusable container. It has this silicone face on top which will help maintain the fruit or vegetable in a very fresh way for longer. These are durable and eco-friendly since you can reuse them instead of using a Ziploc bag or whatever other method you used previously that you just throw away. This one you can wash and reuse, and it's made of this premium material which will maintain your fruit or veggie. And it's just convenient and also helps you save space, and this is just an example. You can store whatever you want in these and they're just great. They are very spacious as well. Here you can see the onion, and overall we've been using these containers for the past few weeks now and we just absolutely love them. They help store everything that we use in your kitchen and I would totally recommend them.